Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming Face ID is enrolled and your device has a secure passcode. This is required for biometric access. Next, make sure the camera and photos permissions are allowed in settings so the app can use Face ID to unlock protected features. Once done, open the camera and take a sample portrait so you can test how Face ID recognizes your face during photo capture. This ensures a smooth flow into the capture and privacy steps that follow. You'll use portrait mode because depth data helps Face ID distinguish your features. It improves consistent recognition. When framing, keep your face centered and maintain even lighting. Avoid strong backlight, which confuses sensors. Tap the screen to lock focus and keep the subject steady. If you want depth-based effects or secure previews, Face ID will confirm identity before showing hidden content. Make sure to turn on live photos or depth if you plan to edit background blur later. You'll finish by reviewing the photos and using the Photos app's face tagging or editing tools. Face ID may gate certain private previews until it recognizes you. If Face ID doesn't work for photos, re-enroll your face in Settings Face ID and passcode and verify camera/photos permissions. If problems persist, restart your iPhone to clear temporary sensor issues, then test again. If nothing changes, contact Apple support because hardware or sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.